Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can install Android 16 on your Android phone without using a PC. As you can see on the screen, I have successfully installed LineageOS GSI based on Android 16 on my OnePlus 9R. This is not a normal ROM, it's the latest Android 16 build that comes with new UI changes, smoother performance, and some really impressive AI-based features that take the Android experience to the next level. If you also want to experience Android 16 on your phone without waiting for the official update, then this video is exactly for you. In this video, I'll explain the complete process from start to finish, including which files you need to download, how to flash them, and what things you need to take care of. Even if you've never installed a custom ROM before, there's no need to worry because I'll explain every step in very simple language so you can follow along without any confusion. So, make sure to watch the video till the end, and without wasting any more time, let's begin the installation process. Before starting, the first requirement is an unlocked bootloader. If your phone's bootloader is locked, don't worry. I've already made videos on how to unlock the bootloader for almost all smartphone brands. You can check the playlist on my channel and unlock it before continuing. Once that's done, you'll need an app called Treble Info. I'll provide its direct download link in the description. Open the app, and if it shows that your device is supported, congratulations, your phone supports GSI ROMs. Now, tap on the Browse Images button, which will take you to a GitHub repository where you'll find a list of GSI custom ROMs. Here, you'll see almost all popular Android versions, like Android 16, 15, and 14. Download the ROM you want to install. I'm downloading Android 16, just like this. Now go back and open your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on About Phone. Find the build number and tap on it 7 times until you see a message saying you are now a developer. Go back, open System, then Developer Options, and make sure USB debugging is enabled. This step is very important because it allows our second phone to send commands to this device. After that, power off your phone completely. Once it's switched off, press and hold the power button and volume down key together. You'll feel a vibration, and then you'll enter fast boot mode. Keep this phone aside for now because we're moving to our second phone, which we'll use as a PC replacement. On your second phone, install an app called Bugjaeger from the Play Store. This is a powerful app that lets you send ADB and fastboot commands using a USB OTG cable. Now, connect both phones using the OTG cable. Once connected, Bugjaeger will ask for permission to access the USB device. Tap OK. If it shows no device connected, unplug the cable once and reconnect it properly, and your phone should be detected. Now, open the Fastboot tab in the Bugjaeger app, which usually looks like a terminal or lightning icon. This is where we'll flash the files. I've already transferred the downloaded ROM files from the second phone to this phone and saved them in a folder. Open any file manager app and extract the zip file. Once extraction is complete, go back to the Bugjaeger app and type the command reboot fastboot. This will reboot your phone into fastboot D mode. Now, type the first command, fastboot delete logical partition product, and hit enter. After this command finishes, type the next command, fastboot flash system, and then select your ROM file. This process can take 1 to 2 minutes because the system image is quite large, so be patient and wait until it finishes. Once the installation is complete, type the next command, fastboot reboot bootloader, which will reboot your phone back into normal fastboot mode. After the phone boots into fastboot again, type the next command, fastboot erase user data, and press enter. Once this command finishes, type the final command, fastboot reboot. Now the phone will reboot. At this point, select factory reset and then choose format data or factory reset. This step wipes the encrypted partitions so the new Android 16 system can set up properly. After formatting is complete, the phone will boot. The first boot always takes some time because the system is building cache files, so don't panic. If you see the LineageOS boot animation, congratulations! You've successfully installed Android 16 on your phone. Let's quickly skip the initial setup and check everything. Look at this UI, it's clean, smooth, and very responsive. Now, go to Settings and open About Phone, and here you can see Android version 16 running on the device. You also get the latest security patches, the new quick settings design, and all the customization options that LineageOS is known for. I really hope this guide helped you out. If you face any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. I try my best to help everyone. Don't forget to like this video if it worked for you. Subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tutorials like this. And thanks for watching.